What's up, guys? Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I won a giveaway. It was completely unexpected and didn't even know what I was going to be getting. Seen Chris's Variety channel, boom, was doing a giveaway, and more than anything, the question intrigued me. So I started trying to figure out the answer to the question. And I guess I got close, or closer than anyone else, and was partially correct. So, he sent me a giveaway. Again, had no idea what was coming in the giveaway. Disclaimer, and Chris, I greatly appreciate everything that you gave me. But some of these items may be controversial or misunderstood by some people. So, I'm going to show you everything that I received from Chris's Variety channel, and then I'm going to talk about it a little bit. So, first thing up, he sent me a couple of stickers. Chris's Variety channel. Pretty cool. I'll add those to my cabinet where I have other stickers other folks have sent me. I have a patch and a sticker for the support the firefighters or EMS type deal. Alright, that's kind of self-explanatory. You know, if our house is on fire, or if one of our family members is in an emergency, and we need some assistance, we definitely want the firefighters to show up, or the EMS, the people that are going to revive us, or take us to more help, or put the fire out. So, obviously, I feel like all the way across the board, we should be supporting the fire department. Right? That's self-explanatory. But one of these things that has become a little more controversial is supporting the police department. Alright? So, with this, right, I absolutely appreciate everything law enforcement does when it comes to trying to do the best that they can to conduct or enforce the laws that we have within this land. With that being said, there are plenty of bad apples out there. You know, there's bad apples in every organization across the world. Right? And it is those bad apples that we definitely need to weed out. And I think some of that has been going on. I am completely against any form of racism. It's disgusting and ignorant to me. So what has been going on with the law enforcement that is recently being caught and brought up needs to be brought up and needs to be fixed and taken care of. But I also believe we still need law enforcement. We need good cops enforcing the law in a good way, equally across the board. And I believe there's many out there doing that. But there are some bad seeds, and they need to get out of there, right? So there's no reason any people group should be targeted because of the color of their skin. It's disgusting, and it's inappropriate. So I do support the good cops that are out there enforcing the law. You others, find a new career. Alright. Another awesome item that I will get great use out of is this spoon fork combo. It's stainless steel. I have one exactly like it out of plastic. And it's lasted me a couple years, but stainless steel gonna last me a whole lot longer. Very appreciative of this. Also got a survival multi-tool, right? Let me pull it up. So I'm going to put this in my wallet and it will stay in my wallet. It has a saw, knife, can opener, a couple variety wrenches, and something to help with direction. Just a good item to have in your wallet just in case, you never know. So that will definitely go in my wallet. Thank you, Chris. And we'll stay there. That will become an EDC item. Another is another multi-tool, survival tool type thing. A little smaller, and an old military can opener. Can never go wrong with those. And the two other items that are considered controversial, and I want to explain my perspective on that, and that is the Don't Tread on Me flag and patch. I believe and support what these originally stand for. So, history behind these items. The Don't Tread on Me flag and patch, or the flag, or the saying, or the rattlesnake, whatever. So, back in the Revolutionary War, when we were separating from England, Benjamin Franklin did a political cartoon in the newspaper, and it displayed a rattlesnake, and he had said that if England's going to continue to do what they were doing to us as Americans, overtaxing and controlling and all that kind of stuff, we weren't allowed to have our freedom of religion. Church was controlled by the ruler, all kinds of stuff. Everything that helped us separate from England, right? In that, basically what he said is, we will send the boats back to you full of rattlesnakes. That was the threat, right? So, in the process of the Revolutionary War, when we were separating from England to become our own continent, this flag, the "Don't Tread on Me" with the rattlesnake, was a rally to little government and freedom, which is what America is built on, right? The 13 Amendments are the God-given rights to all mankind, all races, all people, right? The people, the white supremacists, KKK, in my opinion, the idiots who have used this flag inappropriately in 60s, 70s, and currently, don't understand the foundation or the meaning of it, and they're trying to use it to stir up things that don't need to be stirred up, because that's not what this flag means. This flag and this saying is that every human in America, or every human in general, but the laws of America say that every human has God-given rights. And that was the foundation of our 13 Amendments, one of which is the Second Amendment. We have the right to bear arms, to be able to protect ourselves, to be able to protect our family, and, if necessary, to protect ourselves from a tyrannical government, which is what we did when we separated from England. And that's what this stands for. That we have freedom in America. That the government is not going to tread on me. They're not going to run me over. I have freedoms and I have rights. And that's what these stand for. So, this does not stand for racism. So for you idiots out there that use it in that manner, that is not what this stands for. It does not stand for, we'll say a Republican or a whatever type movement. This is a piece of American history that stands for little government and freedom. And that I support, right? We have freedom here in America, all peoples. And honestly, I'm a Christian. I don't agree with the Muslim faith or Buddhist or whatever. Don't agree with it. But one of the things America was founded on was the freedom of religion. I don't agree with you, but in this country, you are free to practice whatever religious beliefs you have. So, again, this is what these things stand for. So, that is the historical reference of the rattlesnake with the "Don't Tread on Me" patch and flag. And for that, I do believe in, right? All people, all races, all creeds. In America, you are free. And you have God-given rights, and the government cannot take them away from you. That's the meaning. So, sorry to get on that rant. Just wanted to clear it up, and I did a little research, I did a little digging, so that I knew what it was that I believe and how it has been incorrectly used in history. All right, so it is something that the KKK used in the 60s, 70s. That was wrong. It is something that has been used recently, and it is wrong. That is not what it means. But the historical reference of what this means is that little government and freedom. And here in America, as long as there's true patriots, true Americans still living, we will continue to have freedom. So, and again, freedom for all races, all people, all creeds. Doesn't mean we have to agree. Doesn't mean we have to have the same cultural background or cultural acceptance. But in America, you're free. And that's one of the great things about America. So, a veteran such as myself, as well as the many veterans, have fought for those rights for all peoples, whether we agree with one another or not. Right? Every man and woman was created equal by God, all in His image, and should be respected and treated as such all the way across the board. So, sorry to get on that rant, but you know, with everything going on in current culture and the issues with people are having with race and racism and the stuff that's been brought about with law enforcement, again, those bad apples got to get out of here. There's no reason anyone ever should be treated like that. It's disgusting. On the same spectrum, we still need law enforcement. We still need firemen. We still need order to be maintained, to have a civilized culture. And, you know, we need that. Now, it doesn't mean things don't need to change or be fixed, but we still need those organizations. So, anyway, I hope that this maybe clarifies some stuff. I hope it is not something that has necessarily offended anybody, because that's not my intention. Because again, I am by no means racist at all, but I do support the historical meaning of the Don't Tread on Me flag. So anyway, special thank you to Chris's Variety channel. Again, if you are not subscribed to him, go check him out, Chris's Variety channel. I put the link in the description. Thank you for this awesome giveaway. Anyway, if you're interested in receiving a sticker from me, check out my About section on my channel's homepage. Send me an email and I'll mail you one out. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.